Hey guys, Sam here, and today I'm going to tell you how you can attempt retail lecture. Retail lecture, you will hear a recording and then you will have to write down keywords as the recording is being played. You write down keywords or key phrases or sentences, and after the recording is done, you will get 7 to 8 seconds to gather your data, and then you will have to start speaking. Okay, the timer will be of 40 seconds, so try to speak for 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, as soon as you are done, click next. Okay, now for an example, I'll play a recording and I'll note down keywords and then I'll show the keywords to you and let's see what happens. Okay, so let's start in 3, 2, 1.
When we move into working with communities, we have to recognise that the communities have to be the authority in their language. And actually, a woman in the class I'm teaching at Sydney at the moment, a Korean woman, expressed this very nicely, although she was talking about something else. She was distinguishing expertise from authority. And certainly linguists, because of our training, we do have expertise in certain very narrow areas of language, but we don't have the authority over what to do with that knowledge or what to do with other knowledge that the community produces. And I guess for me, the bottom line is languages are lost because of the dominance of one people over another, and that's not rocket science. It's not hard to work that out. But then what that means is, if in working with language revival we continue to hold the authority, we actually haven't done anything towards undoing how languages are lost in the first place. So in a sense, the languages are still lost if the authority is still lost.
Okay, now once the recording is done, then you start speaking. But before we start, I'll show my keywords to you. Okay, yeah, so the speaker was talking about working with communities. From the lecture, I can hear communities have to be the authority in their respective languages. From the lecture, I can hear that the speaker gave example of a woman distinguishing expertise from authority. From the lecture, I can hear linguists have expertise in certain areas of language. From the lecture, I can hear languages are lost because of dominance. From the lecture, I can hear language revival and knowledge. From the lecture, I can hear languages are lost if the authority is lost. In conclusion, the lecture was very informative and descriptive. Say it like this with fluency and proper pronunciation and be confident, and you will get marks. For more tips and tricks, follow us. Peace out.